It's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mama and them, because we are litty over here. Without further ado, I just been getting little things here and there from different places. From the packaging, this is from the Express. Y'all ain't no telling what it is. Let's get into it. We have the nail table. So let's see. I'll be throwing stuff away as I go. So y'all know my birthday was in November, and for some reason I'm obsessed with the Kuromi, a little figure. Wait, am I in? Sorry, y'all. The Kuromi figure from what is it, Sanrio, the Hello Kitty collection. Y'all, so y'all know my aunt for my birthday got me a Build-A-Bear Kuromi, the purple one, because you can either get the purple or the black one. Build-A-Bear with pajamas and everything. I might post a picture up here to show y'all. Hold on, something fell. Okay. So I actually got this to put on my Kuromi. This is so cute. To put on the Kuromi, because my Kuromi is this color. And then it also has like its little POW that comes with it. So I was going to put the POW in here. Y'all, excuse my hands. My hands is ashy because I just keep washing them. And they're like peeling. You probably can't see it, but my hands are peeling. So this came on here. Uh-oh. Hold on, y'all. So I figured I could put the little POW in here and put this around the Kuromi's neck. And this is cute. So cute. So that's what I got this for. Throw this away. Let's see what's next. Hold on, y'all. Just got my address on it. Got that one. I'm gonna open this up, making sure I ain't cutting nothing. Got that. Let me throw this away. Now let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is my Halloween bag. I had got a different Halloween bag, but I didn't like that model. So they had this one and another model. So I was like, let me just get this one instead. Because the other one was like flimsy and I didn't like it. So basically this is a book bag. They got all the horror stuff, and this is much better. It's much structured. It has horror stuff, so let's see. We got The Exorcist, Scream, Freddy, Jason, It, The Grudge, Candyman, Dracula, Hannibal Lecter. I think, is that the dude from Hocus Pocus, The Clown? That be in that one dude's movie, Puppet Master, Pinhead, Chucky on here. He right there. But yeah, I thought this was so cute. So definitely something good to have. Just a little pouch. You can wear it in the front or the back, but I like to wear mine across my chest as a crossbody, just to, you know, stuff like that. And then I got this for my mom because she actually wanted This bracelet that I got off of the expressway, it's a Tiffany and Company gold bracelet. This never came out. They only come in silver, which I do have it silver, but it's tarnished. I got to get some jewelry cleaner. So she actually wanted this bracelet. I couldn't find it at first, and I could find it, and they doubled the price, and then the price came down, so I got her bracelet coming. But in the meantime, this is for her to wear, because she like wearing little charm bracelets and stuff, and it's stainless steel. It doesn't have any writing on it, but it does have like the Tiffany blue. And then this is the bracelet I was telling y'all about. It got hearts on it, and it just say like Tiffany and stuff. So that's that. And then these are stickers. They're actually like stickers of designer bags. Like this one is a Chanel bag. The one behind it looked like a Hermes bag. Hermes. Like a Louis Vuitton trunk back there. That looked like a Speedy. So yeah, just something to use for my journal. Y'all know I got a LV inspired journal that I had purchased. And I thought these were cute to have. So yeah, y'all, that was pretty short and sweet to the point. So I'm gonna be opening up stuff as they come and go. So yeah, I'm not sure if I showed y'all this ring though. If y'all want like personalized jewelry, I would advise you Amazon. I got a piece from there and it tarnished, and that thing, I want to say I spent like 30 or 40 bucks after shipping and handling, and it wasn't prime. So I, after that, I continued to take my chances on the express. Y'all, all my bracelets except for my medical bracelet I got from AliExpress, and this bracelet, because I got this from Temu. All my bracelets, they haven't tarnished. I bathe in them, wash dishes in them, sleep in them, all of that. So I actually got this ring. It's adjustable, but I figured I just wanted to wear on my pinky. It says Tootie. That's my nickname. And it's a ring. I thought it was so cute because y'all know I like hearts. So if I wanted to wear it like on different, different fingers, I can, because it's adjustable. But I just thought it was so cute. And it says Tootie, and it has 2 rhinestones. Hold on. Is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? Are you going to show me love today? So I think, can y'all see it? Kind of, sort of, but y'all get the gist. And it's gold and it's stainless steel. Then I also got a ring made with my parents' prom picture in it. I'll show. I'm not gonna show it too close, but basically, you can get it black and white in picture or color. And basically, it's my mom and my dad's prom picture. I'm not gonna get too close, but yeah, and it's clear, like it's clear. But yeah, that's my mom and my pops. Then I also got another chain made. Let me show y'all real quick while we got a little time. So my parents, shall I say, their nicknames in high school, because they met in high school, were Mr. and Mrs. Sugar Bear. And I wanted to get something like a ode to that. I think it's a ODE. Basically, I wanted to get a dedication piece to my parents. So since they were called Mr. and Mrs. Sugar Bear, basically they came together and made a Pooh Bear. So I got this piece made. It says stainless steel. I haven't had any issues with it turning on my neck. It does have like some rhinestone encrusted pieces in the hearts. There's hearts like all up and through there. Oh, that's lint from my scarf, y'all. I actually put an extender. Did I put an extender on here? No. It comes with a longer piece where you can like wear it shorter or longer, and I wear it all the way at the end because I have a fat neck. Like my neck is wide. It gives you like Busta Rhymes vibes a little bit. So I like to wear mine at the end because I like it to sit on my cleavage area, because I got my grandma's name, a stainless steel piece. So my great grandma's name, her birthday is the day after my birthday, Miss Sadie. So I wear that necklace all the time. So since that one is like upper, any other piece I wear is like lower. So yeah, this is cute. It's two-tone, is gold and silver, because I'm actually getting a gold and silver like Cuban link type of situation. I'll show y'all because I want to mix it up. Like if I want to wear gold and silver I can, because it's gold and silver. Like this is silver, the P, and then that's silver and the gold. So, and it's like double plated. So I thought that was cute to have. Are you gonna focus? Just to show y'all a little better. So that's that. So yeah, that's my little piece right there. From the Express. Y'all, I know some of these videos y'all might be like, wait, she cut her hair, wait, she did this, wait, she's up in movies, wait, y'all, I got movies in the vault. So I said movies. Well, they're like movies, but I got videos in the vault that was pre-recorded like a minute ago, because I knew like whether if it was an MS Flare or anything came up, I wanted to stick to the schedule. So if you see different stuff, don't be alarmed. It's just past rare, rare from the past. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little haul, mini haul of little things in there and whatsoever. But yeah, definitely look out for the Express if you're looking for customized pieces or portrait pieces. Yeah, so I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.